Hi, welcome to my channel, JaberTime. Let's go over this interesting problem. How to prove that 1 equals 2. Let's get started. Let's show how we could prove that 1 equals 2. I'm gonna start with b equals a, as if it's given to me as b equals a. Gonna multiply both sides by a. So let's write it again. B equals a, and somehow I'm gonna multiply left and right by a. To finish that, I'm gonna end up with ab, let's see, because I'm multiplying by a, and on the right side it's gonna be a squared. Then I'm gonna subtract b squared from both sides. When you subtract from b squared from both sides, I could rewrite it this way. Right hand side is going to be a squared minus b squared, and left hand side is going to be ab minus b squared. It looks like on the left we could factor b out, so let's do that. B out, a will stay from the first term, minus 1b from the second term. On the right side, we could factor this as a difference between two squares, which ends up as a plus b times a minus b. Now, it looks like I have a minus b and a minus b on both sides, so I'm going to go in and divide both sides by a minus b. If I do that, I could cancel it from the left and I could cancel it from the right side. So if I use the pencil to show that I'm canceling this with this and canceling this with this, what do I have left? On the left side I have a b, 1b. On the right side I have a plus b. Now, earlier we said it's given to me that b equals a, or we assumed that b equals a, and that's how we started. So I could go in now and replace this a with b, because a equals b. So I have b equals b plus b. And the first one came from the given information or condition. Okay, let's move to the right. Now what do we have? We have b equals 2b, which means I could divide both sides by b. And if I do that, I could simplify, divide by b1, divide by b1, and divide by b1, divide by b1. The simple form becomes 1, because b over b is 1. Or I could write 1 here and write 1 here and end up with 1. And on the right side, 2, because 2b over b cancels, end up with 2. It looks like we're done. We proved it. But that can't be true. Where's the mistake? It looks like all my steps are clear, and I don't think I have a mistake. But actually, yes, we do. The mistake is right here. You cannot do that. It looks like we are dividing by a minus b to cancel a minus b. But we cannot do that. The reason why? Because of this. We were given that b equals a. b equals a, right? So if b equals a, I think subtracting b from a, you can end up with 0. Which means here we were dividing both sides by 0. And that's the mistake. You cannot divide by 0. Alright, that's the mistake. And you should just have to be careful with it. And we can't just like walk away with 1 equals 2. That's not a proof. It's a mistake that sometimes we make. We're not allowed to divide by 0 because it's undefined, and we could just go further than that, but we need to focus on the step right here that is kind of hidden and passes by some if you are not paying enough attention to that a minus b is 0, and from there we just can't move on. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.